Hey guys, welcome to Easy WordPress tutorial. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Mailchimp to your WordPress. So if you guys don't know what Mailchimp is one of the powerful email marketing tool that you can use in your website to collect the email address of your users so that you can sell something to them, and even if you want to give them update about your new post through the email, you can use that. So let's get started. So to integrate Mailchimp to your WordPress, first we need to go to plugin and then add new, and then type here Mailchimp. Install now. And then activate. So here you can see my plugin has been activated. So if I go to Mailchimp again, it's showing the status is not connected. It is asking me for the API key. To get the API key, just go to mailchimp.com and then sign up for free. Here you have to give your email address, and then username. You can choose your username. So I'm going to give it the same. And then click on sign up. So now it is saying that we have to activate our account. So Mailchimp has sent an email to our Gmail address. So we need to open the email. So here you can see I got the email from Mailchimp and it is saying activate your Mailchimp account. So click on activate account. Click on I'm not a robot. And you have to log in again. So type your username and password. So here you can see there are 4 subscriptions: premium, standard, essential, and free. So we don't need this premium subscription, we can use the free one. Free one we can add 2000 contact. So I'm going to choose the free one and then complete. So here it is asking me for the first name, so I'm going to give it the same name and then click on continue. And it is asking me whether I have a website or not. So I do have a website. Copy and paste here, and it is asking me for my business name, so I'm going to type the same name of my website and then continue. Here you have to fill your address information. So for me it's Kathmandu, Nepal, and then continue. And it is asking me whether I do have a contact or not. So I'm using Mailchimp for the first time, so I don't have any contact, so I'm going to choose no and continue. And what do you offer or plan to offer? So right now I don't sell any physical goods or services. I have a blog and I write about traveling, so I'm going to choose this original content and click on continue. Do you sell things? So right now I don't sell anything. So if you sell anything, so you can choose yes. So I'm going to choose no. And then you're ready to go. Let's go. So when I log into my MailChimp account, it is asking me for the verification code. So go to your email. I got this email from MailChimp. Copy this code and paste it here and then submit verification. So here you can see I'm logged into my MailChimp dashboard. So the first thing I have to do is I have to connect it. So I need this API key. So to get the API key, go on the top right and then click on account. Go to extras and then API keys. So I'm using MailChimp for the first time, so I don't have any API key. So I have to create one. So to create a API key, click on create a key. And now the key has been created. So just copy this key, go to your WordPress dashboard and paste it here and save changes. Now you can see my MailChimp is connected to my WordPress. So by default, while creating your MailChimp, it will create a list. So it will create the list same as my name. So here you can see the list name is Cosmos Digest and it has one subscriber. So if I go to audience again, here you can see this Cosmos Digest audience has one contact and one of them are subscriber. So if I go and click on one, here I can see there is only one email address and that is the same email address which I used while creating my MailChimp account. So let's integrate the form in our WordPress website. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard and then click on MailChimp form. Here we have to give it a name to our form. So let's say I'm going to give it first form. And then it is asking to which MailChimp list should this form subscribe. So right now we have only one audience, that is Cosmos Digest. So by default, select this one and click on add new form and the form is created. So here on the left side, we can see there is a form code. On the right side, there is a form preview. So right now we have only email address, but I want to collect the name of my user who visited my site as well. So just click on this first name. And here in placeholder, we can type like anything like please enter your first name or please enter your full name. And it is asking, is this field required? I'm not going to take this one and add to form. So here now you can see on the right side there is first name and on the placeholder is written please enter your name. So I don't want this first name, I want it like full name. It looks better now. So what I have to do is so if you want any other information like street address and phone numbers and anything, you can do that just clicking the button above. and go down and click on Save Changes, and your form is ready. Now what we have to do is we have to go to Settings. So in here I want this use double opt-in as no, and Save Changes. So now I want to add this form to my home page. So to do that, I have to go to Mailchimp and form. Here I already have created a form. So we have to copy this short code, copy this one, go to our home page. I'm using Elementor. It's not mandatory that you should use Elementor. Just copy and paste the code. So I need this thing for Elementor short code. Drag it here and paste the code here. So let's add a little bit of margin padding. I would say 25, not on all the sides, just on left and right. It looks good now. Now, here you can see it is not visible because of the background. So what we have to do is we have to go over form and then appearance, and here we have to choose this one, blue theme, and then save changes. And again go to your home page, just refresh the page. Now you can see it looks a lot better. So if I open my website in incognito mode and fill out the form and then click on sign up, here you can see a little message that says thank you and your sign up request was successful. So now what happens is this email address is already added to my MailChimp account. So if I go here, right now you can see it has only one audience. So if I refresh the page again, now it has two contacts. So if you go down here, you can see my email address that has been added to my list. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any further updates when I upload new video. Thanks for today.